Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishaka Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as investors closely monitor the Federal Reserve's announcement regarding interest rate hikes scheduled later in the week. Bitcoin hovered around the crucial $28,000 mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1% at 38,440 points. In order to settle the greatest US bank collapse since the 2008 financial crisis and put an end to a lingering banking turbulence, regulators seized First Republic Bank and sold its assets to JP Chase and Company as part of the agreement to acquire the majority of the assets of the San Francisco-based bank and gain access to First Republic's priced-rich clientele. JP Morgan will pay the US Federal Deposit Insurance Corp $10.6 billion. As per data from blockchain intelligence firm Sentiment, Ethereum worth $505 million was transferred to one of the world's largest exchanges, Binance. It was further revealed that this is the largest self-custody to exchange transfer in 5 years. In other news, MicroStrategy released financial results for the first quarter of 2023. The business disclosed that its first quarter net income was $461.2 million. Firm CEO Phong Le said, "The conviction in our Bitcoin strategy remains strong as the digital asset environment continues to mature." Moreover, the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, gained 70% over the first quarter of 2023. The global cryptocurrency market cap hovered around $1.16 trillion mark, dropping 1.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes fell around 15% to $35 billion. According to statistics from crypto analytics portal DeFi Llama, liquid staking solutions like Lido and Rocket Pool currently have more total value logged than decentralized exchanges, making them the top category among DeFi protocols. Between April 13 and May 1st, TVL on decentralized exchanges fell by $1.66 billion. Meanwhile, TVL rose by $280 million on liquid staking protocols. Investors will be eyeing the Federal Open Market Committee monetary policy meeting, which begins today, to decide whether to boost interest rates and by how much. The CME's FedWatch tool currently sets the probability of a 25 basis point increase at more than 94%, which would boost the target range to between 5% and 5.25%. US stock futures traded higher as investors prepared for the Federal Reserve's May policy meeting to kick off. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average inched up 25 points or 0.08%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures each also gained 0.07% and 0.08% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $28,040, down 1.7%. In an interesting piece of news, Bitcoin network has processed a record number of transactions since its launch 14 years ago. It processed 568,000 transactions, around 78 more than it processed at peak of 2017 bull run. However, 50% of these transactions attribute to Bitcoin ordinals, the NFTs on the Bitcoin network. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.8%, trading at $1,830. BNB was down by 3.3% to trade at $324. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 2% and was trading at $21.9. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1% to trade at $0.38. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $16.6, lower 2.4%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.1% to trade at $0.95. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.6% at $0.078. GY Inu was trading down by 1%. Next on the list, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.46, down by 0.8%. Last on the list, Polkadot was down by 2.9% to trade at $5.6. We spoke to several industry experts. Let's have a look at what Harman Puri, top 50 blockchain influencers of India, has to say about prime objective of tokenization.
The current financial ecosystem, it allows us only to interact with each other through money. Money has become the only store of value that we have. But essentially, if we go back thousands of years, money was created to represent underlying assets, so that rather than doing a barter system of trading assets, trading fruits and vegetables with each other, we have a common denominator. But in the current scenario, when we think about investing, or when we think about the actual asset that we want to own in the longer run, not the money which is privy to inflation or other kind of factors, then there is not that much of flexibility in the asset classes. For example, the flexibility I mean is in terms of liquidity, ease of ownership, the heavy paperwork, accessibility, and all of those. So tokenization essentially is a concept which allows us to perform better tasks, more efficient tasks on those underlying assets directly.
That's all in Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishaka Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Huawei Cloud collaborated with the Indonesia Cyber Media Association to host the UI Global Cloud Media and Entertainment CXO Summit on April 13. UI Cloud introduces the E3 model, new efficiency, new experience, and new evolution in the age of 3D internet to help media and entertainment companies improve their material shooting, video production, and content distribution processes in accordance with business needs. This reduces costs and improves efficiency for businesses through digitalization and cloudification, and it provides solid support for businesses to improve their market competitiveness. To facilitate the high-quality development of the global media industry, Huawei Cloud and its partners have jointly built Meta Studio, a one-stop on-cloud digital content production line, migrating the video production processes such as composition, editing, modeling, binding, driving, and rendering to the cloud. It provides a one-click work platform that is easy to operate and realizes the whole process automation through AI. The National Hockey League has announced the launch of NHL Blast, a Metaverse experience on the global immersive platform Roblox. According to the NHL, the experience on NHL Blast will pit teams of 5 against one another in obstacle-filled environments, including one inspired by the league's NHL Street initiative. NHL Blast will allow fans to interact with one another while also personalizing their characters with NHL club jerseys, Roblox usernames, and custom numbers. Transmira, a metaverse platform based in North Carolina, has received $4 million in funding. Entrain, a provider of Web3 and blockchain technologies, will invest 20% of its profits in the company. Transmira will enable brands to monetize virtual goods through virtual marketplaces, increasing user engagement and brand loyalty. Users and brands can transact and exchange value in a secure, trusted, and authenticated manner thanks to the foundational blockchain technology. The partnership will boost the company's market valuation for future investment rounds by leveraging Entrain's Web3 and blockchain IP portfolio. Entrain will also provide professional sales and marketing services to Transmira, leveraging their expertise in go-to-market strategies to drive platform adoption. In the upcoming segment, we will update you about the following news. JP Morgan to acquire First Republic Bank after Californian financial regulator Caesar. MasterCard aims to boost trust for blockchain transactions. Adidas and Pharrell release digital clothing for Doodles NFT holders. Stay tuned for more updates. We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFT.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.